We see beauty in symmetry. A beautiful face is a more symmetrical face. That's what they say. And with this routine, I can help you get there. Hi, I'm Fumiko Takatsu, a founder and the creator of the Face Yoga Method. If you ever looked at yourself in your pictures and I thought something was off with your face, it could be that you need to work on symmetry. Do you want to have a beautiful symmetrical smile? I can show you how. Before we talk about facial symmetry, let me tell you a quick story why I am obsessed with symmetry. Car accident. Almost 18 years ago, I got in a near-fatal car accident. I was sitting in a passenger seat and a yellow Mustang hit us from the side. The car spun 3.5 times and stopped, and I could not breathe. I went to ER immediately. I'm so lucky that I'm still alive. But trauma of the car accident made my body and the face out of alignment. So my shoulder was high on this side, my head tilted this way, and my face was not symmetrical. I didn't like that. Let me show you a picture. This is after the car accident. So can you see that? When you look at my eyebrows, one side is much higher than the other. How about the level of eyes? And when I look at the corner of my mouth, one side is higher than the other. I could not smile the same way. And I became very, very self-conscious. So, what is facial symmetry? Let me show you a picture. I highly recommend take photos, no facial expressions, and then you can look at your face more objectively. And then check the level of eyebrows, the level of your eyes, and the peak of your cheeks, and the corner of your mouth. Are they at the same level? And then draw a line from the chin to outer part of your eyes, and then toward ears. And that's how you can see your face more objectively. How can you achieve facial symmetry? Check your posture because everything is connected. Look at this picture. See, from all the way up, everything is connected. So I want you to pay attention to your alignment. Hip, especially shoulders. So if you cross your leg all the time same way, you have to change your posture. Every small adjustment will help you get more symmetry, your face and the body. Now, what are the best tips for achieving facial symmetry? I'll show you 3 face yoga method poses. But before we do some poses together to create symmetry on your face, please subscribe to this channel. This is just 3 of my many poses I'll teach you to reduce wrinkles and get a natural facelift. Click the subscribe button and become a face yogi with me. Let's start releasing tension from the body. The pose is called the chest opener. Hands on your shoulders, check your alignment. Breathe in and out, and then move your elbows a little closer. And then check if your elbows are at the same level. And then breathe in. And when you cannot breathe in anymore, open your chest, open your heart, and push down your shoulder blades. So we're gonna do 10 times together. Ready? 1. Keep breathing. 2. 3. 4. Relax your forehead. 5. 6, 7, almost there. 8, last 2, 9, 10, and then come out. Close your eyes. How do you feel? Do you feel one side of your body is tighter than the other? Do you feel more even? That was a chest opener. Now, next pose is the smile lifter with a tool. You need a tool such as a pen or a pencil. Align your posture, check your shoulder level. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders, open your chest, open your heart. Breathe in and out through your nose. Now, move your jaw slightly forward and curl your upper and lower lips over your teeth. Smile. Make sure both corners of your mouth are at the same level. Now, lift up your chin slightly and place the tool horizontally in your mouth behind your canine teeth. And we are going to hold this for 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Okay? Good. 2 more set. Relax your forehead. Last one. Come out. Let's do tapping and release the tension from your face and the body. Ready? Using meaty part of fingers. Start tapping top of the head. Tap, 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 tap. We carry lots of stress on the side of the head, temporal area. So we're going to tap right here too. If you feel one side is tighter than the other, you have more stress on that side. Just keep tapping, keep breathing. Tap, 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 tap. Top of the head again. Keep breathing, chest open, heart open. Tap back of the head. Tap, 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 tap. Tap shoulders. And come out. How do you feel? Do you feel more centered? Do you feel more balanced? Do you feel more symmetrical? Wonderful. Discover the habit that's aging you and learn how to reverse the damage. Take my free aging habit quiz with the link in the description to reveal your most aging habit. Plus, I'll send you a free face yoga routine to help. Click the link below to take the aging habit quiz right now. By exercising your muscles, you can lift your face naturally. I want to show you a very simple 60-second skincare routine. It literally lifts up your mood. The jawline is one of the easiest places on the face to get results.